pairing this black unicorn dress with navy because I don't have any black accessories that don't scream goth and won't clash. Hi, my name's Nevi, and this is a box. And in this box is a dress that I spent $400 on. This dress is the plus size version of Magical Artefact in the heliotrope colorway, otherwise known as purple. This is actually a pretty big moment for me because this will be my first Japanese brand dress. Most of my dresses are from indie brands plural, as if all of my extra money in 2019 didn't go to Hey Newly. Anyway, this was not the video that I planned to do next. I was planning on an alteration video, but then Metamorphose sent out an email saying, yeah, we're gonna actually ship this out in mid-November rather than late February to March of next year like we originally said. And then DHL was like, we're gonna deliver this to your house a day earlier than when we said. So I have to do this now. This came in yesterday and I obviously had to switch some things around, but let's get into it with my trusty iridescent office scissors. This is taped up super well, Jesus. Okay. Here we go. Oh, wow. Let's see. Oh, right. Oh, and a little bag too. I never actually had the little brand bag to go with it. Let's keep my stuff in. Let's put that aside. I actually got the OTKs for this dress last week. Thank you for your order. And it has a little Metamorphose. Oh, I already have this, the little logo sticker from when I bought the OTKs, but I didn't have this little paper one. It's cute. Is that jam? Yeah, it's strawberry jam. It's really cute. And this is the matching head bow. Okay, and this, oh, is this creep? Feels like it. Let me take off the little tag. This is actually a little smaller than I thought. And we will put that aside for now. And now, the main event. Oh, wow. Wow, this is... Okay, and the waist ties. See, full disclosure, I wasn't entirely sure about this dress because, as I've said before in one of my previous videos, I hate rickrack with the passion of 1,000 suns, but this, I actually really like this. Okay, and this is, these straps are for, to tie them around your neck for decorative purposes. Oh, and they're removable. Little buttons here. Actually, let me cut off but save this tag. This would have been perfect for Halloween, but they decided to do it after. And the waist ties are removable. Oh, I really like these buttons. Yeah, this is like a textured, I forgot the name. It's some type of high quality polyester. And the black material, the waist ties and bow, are definitely made of crepe. This feels exactly like the crepe underskirt that I have. With all the gold rickrack slash decoration, it does look a little more OTT than my usual style, but I'm actually really happy with this. It's still, it works. Like, the main reason that I don't like rickrack is because it's placed so badly so much of the time, and it just takes away from the main fabric, but this actually complements it really well. I guess the only thing left is to try it on. Okay, backing up slightly. If you hear any clanking noises, those are the chains on my boots. I really like this dress. It's breathable. I feel like I can wear it year round with the right blouse. It's comfortable. It hugs me in all the right places as opposed to squeezing the life out of me. Even the head bow is looking pretty good. Head bows are always a challenge for me because of my hair type, because of my dreadlocks, I can't like make a loop and then clamp it there. I have to find a specific section where they can stay steady but also peek out from behind properly, and I'm kind of proud of it. But yeah, I'm really liking this. I love how it feels, I love how it looks. There was another reason I was not 100% sure about this dress, because I didn't have any made specifically for EGL stuff that would match this shade of purple, or any kind of purple period. But I did what I had to, and I'm happy with what I came up with. I'm not wearing the OTKs right now, I know you can't see, but I'm not wearing them because I wanted to work with bringing out the black, which I think is working, especially with my nails today. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, because I am feeling myself right now. And I guess I will see you all for my alterations video whenever that gets done. It's not Lolita, I'm fixing a couple fast fashion pieces that I have, so look forward to that, I guess. Toodles!